Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. If you're new to my channel, my name is Teresa. Today I'm going to take y'all along with me to TJ Maxx. As the weather outside is still definitely winter, I know a lot of us are wishing that spring would hurry up and get here. Until then, let's go shopping and see what beautiful home decor TJ Maxx has to offer for the spring season. The first thing I wanted to check out at my TJ Maxx was their wall art selection. This year, the landscape prints are still going to be very popular, along with the florals and the gold frames. And I love seeing that style because that is really what I am decorating my home with. They had a lot of paired sets. So if you're, trying to decorate on a budget like we all are, this right here makes a great combination. You can pair these sets and make a gallery wall or just layer these in on some open shelving. So it looks like swans and ducks are really going to be on trend this year, and I'm so glad because I bought several last year, but I absolutely love them. The gold frames with the ornate design are still going to be really popular, and also these were new. These are, some tapestry needlepoint, and I think that's really going to be popular this year, along with wildlife. I saw several pieces in TJ Maxx on this day, including some ceramic pieces, some planters, and also some wall art that just brought back, animals in nature. But look at these beautiful pieces right here. These were $30, but less than $100. You could get 3 of these and make a beautiful wall art piece to go across a foyer table, or just, set these out in your home and make a gallery wall. Birds, I think, are still going to be really popular, and these right here were really pretty. For around $20, you could get a couple of these and hang these on a wall that maybe you just need just a little extra detail to. They had these in the hummingbirds and also the butterflies. I thought this was a very springy-like mirror, and I think this would be beautiful in a little girl's room. But look at this tapestry right here. A lot of botanicals this year, so if you have, like a sunroom area, I think pieces like this would be absolutely beautiful. Kind of bring the gardening vibe and the nature inside. Love seeing retailers pairing up prints. That way it just makes it easier when you can buy them as a set, and it also helps out on your budget. Textiles are really going to be in this year with a lot of woven and wicker. TJ Maxx didn't disappoint on this day. This really large planter right here, it was really tall, and it was less than $30, and this one right here, medium size, was less than $20. So for $50, that is a really good deal. If you need something for a front porch, a sunroom, I think those pieces would be absolutely beautiful. They had a really good assortment of bunny things, and these baskets right here were really cute. Now, not only could you use these for Easter time and gathering eggs, but you could also use these for some home decor. You could set these out on a foyer table, add some beautiful florals or greenery to them, and y'all know how much I love bunnies, and a lot of times you can leave bunnies out throughout the spring and the summertime. I wanted to show you the detail on the back. They did not forget to put the little cottontail on the back of that basket. Such great detail. Another set that I really loved were these round ones with the little bunny ears. Again, you could put some beautiful florals or greenery in these, and these would be absolutely beautiful setting out in your home as decor. They had a lot of Easter statues and shelf decor, and absolutely love the color of this bunny. I'm going to show you the tag on it, because I think TJ Maxx sells online. So if you're interested in any of these items, and maybe you don't have a TJ Maxx in your local area, or if they don't carry these items in your store, maybe you can go out online and find them there. Black and white is going to be really trendy for spring in this year. I can already tell. So if you're a Mackenzie child lover already, but I've always loved black and white check or black and white in a home. I think it's timeless. And it pairs so well with all, many different colors. This little seesaw right here was really cute. It was brass with a marble base. This was a heavy item, but for less than $13, that is a really nice piece. And one thing I was really noticing in the spring line for TJ Maxx for 2026 is they are offering a lot of decor items that are of different textures. They had a lot of wood items, brass items, silver, fabric, textiles, rattan, wicker, so to me, I really love that because that way you can really get creative with your home decor and decorating. It makes it so much fun when you can mix and match the different textures together to make a really consistent and beautiful home. All I can say is, wow, TJ Maxx really has got some beautiful decor. I can't wait to go to some of the other retailers and see what they have out for the spring season. I am so ready to decorate my home with some new pieces. That's why I like to get out now while it's wintertime, and it also gets me out of the house. But I can go on and be shopping at all the retailers just to see all the new decor that they have and then make my selection. Pick the pieces that I absolutely love and the ones that I want to bring home and decorate in my home. Do y'all have a weakness for tea towels and kitchen towels as much as I do? I absolutely love a good kitchen towel, and especially one that has a beautiful design on it. I love to look at them, look at the designs, but I also like to touch them and feel them and see how absorbent, and how they feel. Some dish towels, just don't measure up to drying your dishes. But I know a lot of us decorate with these type towels. So TJ Maxx on this day had a huge selection of different designs and beautiful colors that would be absolutely beautiful just to decorate with. You could put those, draping off of a cutting board or in a basket. But I thought they had a really good selection, and I had a lot of fun looking through the towel selection. Another thing that they had at TJ Maxx that I've never seen before at mine was they had a big kiosk of some really pretty faux florals. Their faux florals were not as good a deal as like at Hobby Lobby because, they offer the sales and discounts, but they did have some really pretty ones. They had some really vibrant colors. So if you, are in need of some unique, different faux florals, make sure to check out your TJ Maxx because you may find just what you're looking for. I hope y'all enjoyed going shopping with me at TJ Maxx and seeing all the beautiful spring decor that is so far is already out on the shelves. Make sure to check out my next video because I'll show y'all some things that I have been purchasing and collecting for the spring season, and I'll show you some ways of how we can decorate those items. Until the next video, I hope all of y'all have a great week, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye.